Namaste, it's me, Lokendra Sound, mathematics teacher. You all are welcome to my class. And today, in algebraic expression, of the topic algebra, I am going to teach you how to multiply them. Okay, let's start with the multiplication of monomial by monomial. What is the meaning of monomial that I have taught you in previous class? Even though I will tell you here also about it. Okay, in monomial, we had only one term. Okay, like here, look in question number 1. Okay, 3xy, and another one is there 4xy. Okay, this 3xy is one term, and this 4xy is another term. And between them, there is red one. Okay, to separate it, I have written it by red ink. Okay, red one. It's the multiplication. And now, when we multiply 3xy with 4xy, this 3xy is also monomial, this 4xy is also monomial. And in such condition, how to find out their product? Okay, their multiplication, we can tell it. Look, it is taught here below. And after this question, please don't forget to write the solution. Okay, it's compulsory. This is the process to solve the questions in mathematics. Okay, you have to write solution, and solution after this comma. Okay, it's compulsory. And write the question again, and 3xy into 4xy. Okay, and when we multiply the monomials, at the time, first of all, let's multiply the coefficient. Look, here is 3 coefficient, here is 4 coefficient. Okay, this 3 into 4 do. Okay, multiply them, 3 into 4. And then after, look, what is the power? Power of x is 1. Here power of x is 1. And when we multiply x with x, write only one x. Okay, we have to write only one x, and we have to add the power of this x and this x. Okay, that means we have to add them 1 plus 1. Okay, and similarly, here the power of y is 1, and this power of y is also 1. Okay, and when we add them 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Okay, that will be the y square. Okay, and like this, we have to write 3 for the 12, and 1 plus 1 is 2. That's why power of x is 2. This is x square, and power of y is also 2. Like this, we have to find the product of monomials. Okay, and similarly, let's go with the example. Okay, of 2, example number 2. Question number 2, look here, 5xy multiply with 13z. Okay, and as I told you in the previous example, when we multiply them, please first of all write the solution. Okay, after solution, put the comma, and 5xy. Okay, you have written 5xy into 13z. As I told you, first of all, multiply this coefficient. Okay, numerical coefficient is given there. One is numerical coefficient 5, and there is 13. And when we multiply 5 with 13, it will be 13 5s are there is 65. Okay, and x, y, z, these all are different variables. Okay, they are different variables, and their product will be the same. Okay, no addition of any power. XYZ multiply with XYZ, it will be XYZ only. That's why we have to write 65 XYZ, and please don't forget to mention the answer. Okay, A and S answer. And what I suggest you here, here is the equals to, and then after there is given arrow like this. Okay, and it is the implies one. Okay, please I suggest you, in place of equals to, use this implies sign. Okay, implies. Okay, implies. In place of equals sign, it is better to use this implies sign. Okay, now let's move to the next example. Okay, and in this example, I am going to teach you the multiplication of binomial, okay, by monomial. You know how to multiply binomial expression by monomial. It is shown here. Look here in this question number 1 example. Okay, this 4xy square is monomial. 4xy square is monomial, and inside the bracket, look there, 3x square y minus 5xy. Okay, that means this inside the bracket there is kept binomial. Okay, expression, because there are two terms. Now here is taught how to multiply this binomial, okay, how to multiply this binomial by this monomial, okay. And after that, look, write a solution as I told you in previous question also. Don't forget to write solution, comma, and after writing this, please copy the question again, okay. Write a question again, and look here, what is the process to multiply them? First of all, this 4xy square, 4xy square will multiply with this first term 3x square y, okay, right, like this. Then this sign is minus, right here minus. Again, this 4xy square, okay, this 4xy square will again multiply with 5xy. Okay, it is shown here. 4xy square is multiplied with 5xy. Okay, this is the method, first step we can tell to multiply binomial by monomial. Okay, now see here, this in this multiplication of 4 and this 3, these are the numerical coefficient, multiply them, okay, 12. And now what is the power of x here? Power of x is 1, here is power of x is 2, right? X only, and add their power. 1 plus 2 is 3, okay, that will be shown in another line, but we have to add the 1 plus 2, and here is the power of y is 2, here is the power of y is 1, and add them 2 plus 1, okay, in power, and this minus sign. Now 5 for the 20 right here, and x into x, look here, its power is 1, its power also 1. If there is nothing written power, means it has power 1, and that power should be added, okay. 1 plus 1 power should be added while multiplying. When you multiply the this variables one, okay, x multiply with x, write only one x, and we have to add the power, okay. And similarly, y squared is there, and here is 2, and here is power 1, and we have to write only one y, and we have to add their power. 2 plus 1 is 3, okay. That is shown here. 12, write in 12 only, and x to the power 3, 1 plus 2 became 3, and similarly y is 1, y only, and 2 plus 1 is 3, and this sign minus sign here, and 20 written here, and x 1 power, this one 1 plus 1, that's why it is x square became. Then in y power, what is there? 2 plus 1, that means y cube, okay. And like this, uh, okay, that is the result, that is the answer of this questions multiplication, okay. When you multiply binomial by monomial, you have to apply this method, okay. And please don't forget to write answer in the last one line, okay. And let's move to the next one question of the same topic, multiplication of binomial by monomial, okay. Look, in this bracket there are how many terms? Two terms, okay. That's why it is binomial. Look where I'm pointing it, this is binomial. One term is 4x and the term is 7y, okay. And when we multiply this binomial by this monomial, look how to multiply. As I told you, please first of all write solution, okay. Solution after comma, and after solution, please don't forget to write question again. Write one question, this one once again, okay. Now look here, 3, that means 3xy, what is in outside the bracket? This 3xy will multiply with 4x, and then whatever sign is there, write this sign, and then again 3xy will multiply with 7y, okay. Same thing is on here, 3xy multiply by 4x, and 3xy again multiply by the 7y, okay. This is the process. Now let's multiply this 3 for the 12, 3 for the 12, then write x into x, write x only, and add their power, 1 plus 1, okay, because here power of x is 1, here also 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and write this y alone, there is single, okay, that's why write only y, okay. And this sign is plus, plus right here, 3 7 the 21, and write this x here also x, and y into y, write only what is it, y, and this power is 1, its power also 1, that's why we have to add the power 1 plus 1 2, okay. Now right here, next line, there is also implies sign, okay. This implies sign should be used instead of equals to, I suggest you, and that will be the best one. And 12x square y plus 21xy square, okay, because this 1 plus 1 is 2, this is y square, okay. Answer, this is the result one. Please don't forget to write this answer also at the last one. And now this was the multiplication of binomial by monomial, okay. Now let's move to the next page. Okay, now see here, what is the topic here? Please listen carefully and look also, was also, okay, carefully. Multiplication of trinomial, this is trinomial, okay, by monomial, okay. how to multiply trinomial by monomial is taught here. Okay, look with the question. In this question number 1, okay, 7xy is monomial, okay, and inside the bracket, look there, one is 4x, another is 3y, and this is minus 5z. Okay, there are altogether 3 terms. That's why it is trinomial. It is trinomial. And how to multiply this trinomial by this monomial, it is taught here. And look, first of all, write solution. Okay, write solution first, and then comma. Okay, and after that, write question again. Write the question again. Okay, how to multiply this trinomial by this monomial, it's taught here. Look, first of all, while opening the bracket, okay, the 7xy, what is outside the bracket? The 7xy will multiply with this 4x. Okay, this 4x, 7xy will multiply with this 4x here, and again this is 7xy is multiplied with 3y, 7xy is multiplied with 3y, and this minus sign here, minus sign, then again 7xy will multiply with this 5z. Okay, 7xy multiply with 5z. This is the, okay, second step. And now another step, look there, let's multiply the 7 4s are 28, as I told you in previous question also, x and x, only x. Okay, and its power is 1, its power also 1, that's 1 plus 1, power is added, and here's y only, that's why I write y only, and 7 3s are 21, and x only one time, and here's y, they have power 1 1, that's why 1 plus 1, their power is added. Okay, while multiplying, okay, at that time we add the power, and here minus sign, here also write minus, and 7 5s are 35, and write this x, here also x, right, y only, z only, because this all the variables are different. Okay, they are not same, that's why their product also remains same. Okay, this xyz, when you multiply, then it will come also xyz. Okay, now it is written here, implies that, after that implies that, what is that, 28 x square y plus 21 xy square minus 35 xy z. Okay, it's the answer. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Question number D. And what is shown here, listen carefully and look, watch also. Okay, all the steps. Multiplication of binomial by binomial. Okay, how to teach, okay, how to learn. Okay, okay, the multiplication of binomial by binomial. Watch it, okay, carefully, and follow this process. Okay, I hope you will understand very, very nicely. Okay, look here, this 3x plus 4y is binomial, and 5x minus 3y also binomial. This is also binomial, this is also binomial. How to multiply them, it is shown there below. Okay, as I told you, write solution. After solution, put the comma, and after that write question again. Okay, write the same question again here. Okay, now look here, what should be followed. Okay, what should be done in this multiplication, please watch it carefully, listen carefully. Okay, look, here there are two terms, here are also two terms. Okay, in this multiplication, first of all, this 3x will multiply with this 5x minus 3y. Okay, it is written here, look, 3x is multiplied with 5x minus, look here, 3y. And again, now which term is coming, this plus 4y, right, this plus 4y, this plus 4y also multiply with 5x minus 3y. Okay, it is shown here. Okay, here, and now we have to open this bracket, just like the, this is the word, just like the multiplication of monomial by binomial. No, that same thing should be applied there. Okay, see here, 3 5s are 15, and here's x into x, there's x square. Okay, and I hope that you have learned already adding power while multiplying. That's why I have added directly. Here is power 1, here is also power 1, here is directly written 2. You can write like this also. If you have understood, directly you can write without showing that addition. If you show addition also, it will be more clear. Okay, if you write directly also, it's okay. And now here look, 3 3s are 9, and xy multiply, x multiply with y, xy only. And here 4 5s are 20, y multiply with x, xy. And here's, look here, this plus and this minus. Please, when you open the bracket, don't forget to multiply this plus sign with this minus sign. Okay, plus and minus, when you multiply, it will be minus, because they are the different one. One is plus another is minus. That's why when you multiply opposite sign, it will always give you minus. Okay, this is plus, this is minus, that's why it will be also minus. Okay, now when you multiply 4y with 3y, 4y with 3y, here so like this. Okay, now let's do the multiplication. Next step implies that, this implies that 15 x into x square, this 3 into 3 9xy, plus only 4 5 is 20, and y into xy minus 4 into 3 means what, 12, and y into y is y square direct here. Now look here, it has no like term. Look, x square, there is no x square here or other, there is no x square other. That's why this 15x square remains same. But look here, this is minus xy, this is plus 20xy. Okay, this is minus xy, look, 9xy, this is minus 9xy, and it is plus 20xy. Okay, both of these are the like term. One is minus and this plus, we have to subtract. 20 minus 9, 20 minus 9 is 11. Okay, and here is the very important thing. Look at why I have to not written here minus, why I have written there plus. It is the very important point. Look at, because this 11 is remaining from 20. Okay, this 11 remains from 20. That means this answer also will take the sign of this bigger one term. Okay, from where this value remains, this 11 remains, so this will also take the sign of this bigger one. Okay, this 20 is bigger, that's why here also plus sign, because this 11 is remaining from this 20. 20 has plus sign, that's why it will have also plus sign. Okay, from where that value remains, no, that result also will take the sign of that one. Okay, now here is, okay, 4 3 is a 12, y into y square, and this right same 12y square, right here 12y square. Okay, and this is the process. Okay, this is the method, you can tell. Okay, to multiply binomials by binomial. Okay, I hope you have understood this. You will be able to multiply binomials by binomial. Okay, I hope so. How to multiply? This is the what, multiplication of binomial by binomial. How to multiply two terms with two terms. Okay, if there is given like this. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Okay, see here. Okay, now here, look the topic here. This is e number. Okay, multiplication. This is the multiplication of trinomial. Okay, how to multiply trinomial by binomial. Okay, means how to multiply the algebraic expression having three terms. Okay, by the algebraic expression having two terms. Look, here is the example. One question is solved here. Look, this first expression is 7x minus 9y, because there's two terms. Look, one is 7x and this 9y. This is binomial, and this is trinomial. Look, one is 3x and this is plus 4y and this is minus 2z. This is binomial, this is trinomial. Look how to solve it is shown here, and your students follow always. Okay, the same process to solve. Okay, as I told you, write solution. Okay, after solution, please, okay, write this question again. Here question again. Okay, write the question again. And now look here, what is done here. In this one, here are two terms. That's 7x. First of all, this 7x will multiply with this all three terms. So here in second step, okay, 7x multiply with this all those three terms. Okay, now after that, minus 9y, right here. Again, that minus 9 will multiply with this again all these three terms. Right, all these three terms here. Okay, okay. I hope you understood this step. And now after that, look here. 7x multiply with 3x, open the bracket like previous example. Okay, again 7x multiply with this this one 4y, 7x multiply with 4y, then minus 7x multiply with this 2z. Okay, here 2z. Similarly, here is what, minus 9y multiply with 3x. Okay, now look here, here is the very important thing. when you remove the bracket, when you multiply this, no, minus sign, look, this minus sign will multiply with this plus sign, okay? Minus into plus, here will be minus, okay? Because minus and plus are different and sign opposite sign, then when you multiply them, always there will be negative, okay? Right here. And see here, this is minus 9y and this is minus 2z. And when you multiply minus 9y with minus 2z, and I told if same sign multiply minus 9 and minus 2, here is okay. Minus minus, it will be plus because they are same sign. Whenever you multiply similar sign, you will have plus, okay? And plus right there. Okay, most of the students they do mistake here. Please, we have to be very careful. Okay, when you're removing the bracket, don't forget to multiply this sign. Okay, minus 9 and minus 2 here is okay. Minus minus plus. And now look here, what should you do here? 7 3s are 21 and x into x is x square. 7 4s are 28 and x into y, xy, minus 7 2s are 14, x into z, xz. Okay, 9 3s are 27, x, this one, y into x, xy, and here is minus 9 into 4, 36, y into y, y square, and last what is there, plus 9 into 2, 18, y into z is yz, here is written yz, okay? And after that, look here, we have to do addition and subtraction according to their sign, okay? Look here, and they must be the like term also. They must be like term also while doing addition and subtraction. Look here, in this step, 28xy, it is minus 14xz, it is minus 27xy, minus 36y square, plus 18yz, okay? And here is 21x square. There is only, look, xy is here, and here is 27xy, okay? These two terms are only the like term. That's why we have to subtract it. Look, 28 is plus, 27 is minus. 28 minus 27 plus 1, because this 1 is remaining from 28. I repeat it, 28 is bigger than 27. That's why this one, in front of 1 we have to write plus sign. In front of 1 we have to write plus sign, because this 1 is remaining from 28 and 28 has plus sign. That's why it has also plus sign. All the terms are unlike terms. That's why we are writing that 14xz only, okay? And this is plus 18yz plus 18yz minus 36y square minus 36y square only. And like this we have to multiply, and after multiplication, okay, we have to check which are like terms, which are unlike terms, okay? If there is like term, according to sign, please, we have to add and subtract. I repeat, if like terms have same sign, we have to add. If like terms have opposite sign, suppose one term is minus, one term has plus sign, okay? In such cases we have to subtract, okay? And in the result one, we have to put the sign of the bigger one, okay? Bigger one values, okay? Which one is bigger, that, no, whatever sign it has, okay, that will be the sign of the remaining one, answer one, okay? And after this we get the answer, okay? These are the answer, these are the what terms of the answer, this, okay? And look here, is there any like term now? No, here is x square, here is xy, here is xz, here is yz, here is y square. There is no like term. That's why this is our answer, okay? After that we cannot do anything. We cannot subtract also, we cannot add also, because all the terms are unlike terms, okay? Now let's move to the next page and see here. And I have given here in this page, I have given here assignment, okay? I have given an assignment, okay? I hope you have understood very nicely today's class, and you all will be able to solve this. You all will be able to find the product of these, okay, expressions. Look, find the product of the following. This product means multiplication, you know, product and multiplication is same. Look, first one, this monomial to monomial, how to multiply, I have taught you. This monomial to binomial, how to multiply, and this monomial to trinomial, okay, how to multiply. This binomial to binomial, how to multiply, and this binomial to trinomial, how to multiply. It is shown here, okay? Thank you very much. Please keep practicing, okay, as I always tell, okay? Practice makes the student perfect. Thank you very much. Have a good day.